Well, John, nearly 8 million borrowers went into a COVID mortgage relief programs, but just over half are now current again, according to Black Knight. Still, there are about 264,000 homeowners who expired from their forbearance terms and are now delinquent, and 38,000 more already in active foreclosure. The strange twist here is that unlike during the subprime mortgage crash, these borrowers have substantial equity in their homes thanks to soaring home prices during the pandemic. Close to 3/4 of the borrowers in foreclosure have more than 20% equity, and just over a quarter of them have more than 50% equity. That's according to RealtyTrack. And that's those in foreclosure. But the shares are likely similar for those 264,000 who are expired and now delinquent, but haven't yet reached foreclosure. So in total, what does that mean? It could be 300,000 likely lower-priced homes coming onto the market over the next 6 months. The question is whether the homeowners will decide to sell or wait out the foreclosure process. The current housing shortage is so bad, some estimate we may need more than 1 million homes just to meet the current demand. John?
Diana, that makes me wonder, might this process take longer than expected because so many of these homeowners do have equity? Might they have more options? And so might the market impact not hit as immediately?
Well, they have equity in their homes, but if they can't pay their mortgages, then they're going to have to do something. The banks aren't just going to let them sit there and not make payments. The issue is, though, do they sell immediately or do they wait for foreclosure? I would have thought people would have just sold and taken the profits and gone on. But what some in the market are telling me is that these folks have nowhere to go. That is, the rental market is so expensive and they obviously can't buy another house. So they are just sitting and waiting because at least they can wait this out and not have to make a monthly payment. So it could take longer, John.
And so then what's your take on the overall impact on the housing market?
Well, these homes will eventually go for sale. And the question is, do they get bought by owner-occupants who want to live there, or do they get bought by investors and turned into rentals? What we know now is that this market is incredibly lean. We need more homes for sale. You're talking about more than 250,000. Yes, we need about 1 million, and the builders are ramping up. But 250,000 is not too shabby when you talk about getting more homes onto the market. Again, do they go to homeowners or to investors?
Yeah, especially.
We'll find out.
Yeah, given that inventories have been so thin. Diana, thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.